Good evening, hunters, and welcome to the Cell Drive again. I'm Thor from Iceland in Motion, and let's take a look at activity for tonight, how it looks now. So, as always, I'm gonna check what's been happening today. Okay, there is an expansion peak now, so it's kind of early. Let me see. Hmm. So, substorm strength throughout the day. Okay, we have. So last night we have here around 8 and 9. Like here 9, and it shows around 1, but it's actually happened like visually a little bit earlier, so around midnight. So like 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 hours between, and that was almost on the minute. Like it started around 12, and then we had positive BZ, so nothing happened after that. So we are relied upon the BZ graph for these peaks to happen. Okay, so we had something going on here today, just in the daytime. We have here a minor peak around 5, and it seems to be dropping now 6. Okay, so between 6 and 7. So I said around 8. It might delay it till 9, but if you're out there at 8, it's okay. There can always be something, and it's like, it's not completely accurate. So yeah, I said from 8, there might be something in the sky, but maybe the peaks will be a little bit later, because it's peaking here at 6, 7, 8, 9 should be the next. But let's see what's happening. I can also check what's happening on this app here by looking at this. This is the same graph as on Space Weather Live. It's just like a little bit difficult, or more difficult to read it. You see it's below the line, so it's negative, and that will enable the event, Northern Lights event, which is called a substorm, that peaks like every 3 hours if this is going negative. So, but just like always, just let's take a look at Space Weather Live. It's also easy to understand the graph, and I can ignore this. We have just kind of average conditions, but this is the main thing. So this means there will be lights. The longer and deeper this goes, stronger usually the peaks. But this will result in lights, definitely. Might be visible in the build-up a little bit, and the peaks might be okay. So I can see also the hemispheric power is growing now, and so maybe lights will be slightly visible very very soon. But it's kind of early for to see it very well. But yeah, from I said 8, so yeah, 8 is fine. You might have to wait a little bit, but it's good to be in position just in case it's a little bit earlier. So I would say if it's dropping now, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, like probably peaks around 9, but might well be invisible lights around 8 also. All in all, it's nothing specific going on, but because we are basically, Iceland is located just under the Aurora Oval, so we don't need any specific like craziness to see even decent lights. Of course, like if we have like faster solar wind, like 600-700 more density combined with this, is more happening. But it will still kind of follow this rule, like 3-hour peak rule. Like even on a great night, there can be nothing in the sky outside of peaks, although usually there is like a visible buildup. But we want to see the peaks, so we're going to try to be ready for them.